Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. This is essential if you want to host your website content, landing pages, or set up email sending through HubSpot. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to HubSpot's website and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all your account settings and tools. From here, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your account, including domain management. Once you're in the settings area, navigate to the left sidebar. Under the tools section, you'll see an option labeled content. Click on it and a drop-down menu will expand. From this menu, select domains and URLs. This is the hub where you manage all the domains connected to your HubSpot account, whether for hosting pages or sending emails. Now click the button labeled Connect a Domain. This will initiate the process of linking your external domain to HubSpot's platform. You'll be prompted to choose the type of domain you want to connect. HubSpot offers options like hosting or email sending, depending on what you plan to use the domain for. Select the one that fits your needs, then click Connect at the bottom to proceed. Next, you'll need to choose the specific option that aligns with your goals. If you're hosting HubSpot content like a website or blog, select Primary. If you're setting up a redirect from an old domain, choose Redirect. And if you're configuring email sending, select Email Sending if it's offered. Once you've made your selection, click Connect again to move forward. You'll now be asked to enter your root domain. Type in your domain exactly as it appears, for example, website.com. Avoid adding subdomains like www unless HubSpot specifically instructs you to. After entering your domain, click Next. This takes you to a screen where you can select the types of content you plan to host on this domain, such as landing pages, blog posts, or website pages. Finally, HubSpot will prompt you to confirm the changes and addition to your account. Check the box that says, I understand, and you'll either be asked to sign in to your domain provider to verify ownership, or you can choose to set it up manually if you prefer. And that's it. Your domain is now connected to HubSpot and ready to host your content or send emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.